Alright, I melted my butter, browned it, and it's still a bit warm, so we're going to let this cool before we add anything else to it. I do love browning my butter. I'm going to use rum extract. I'm using turbinado sugar. It's brown. It's already got molasses on it. Dissolve that a little bit. Just a pinch of baking soda, baking powder, about a teaspoon or so of cinnamon left in here. A little bit of salt. I'm going to add just enough flour to make it thick, the desired texture. But we can start off with about that much. Just sifting it in there. Found these black walnuts, or wild walnuts. Black walnuts, so wild. Alright, let's add some more flour. Alright. Alright, we're going to let that rest for about 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Alright, some sugar. Alright, cinnamon. Oven's at 350. Cookies are going in. Walnut, cinnamon, sugar cookies. No burned. Nice on top. Let's give it a whirl. This is the best cookie I've made so far. Oh yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace out.